How to sync Obsidian with OneDrive. So step 1, install OneDrive on your PC and Android device, and then log in with the same Microsoft account. Step 2, on your PC, open your OneDrive and create a dedicated folder for your Obsidian Vault. Step 3, move your Obsidian Vault into the OneDrive folder so it automatically syncs. Step 4, on your Android phone, install the OneDrive app and make sure the same Vault folder is accessible. Step 5, open your Obsidian on Android, go to your Vaults, and then go to Open Folder as Vault, and select the synced OneDrive folder. Step 6, now your notes will stay synced across PC and mobile, so make sure that OneDrive is running in the background for real-time updates. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.